How to invest your first $100, a beginner's guide to building wealth. So, you've got your first $100 and you're wondering, what should I do with it? Save it? Invest it? Spend it? Here's the truth. $100 might not seem like much, but how you use your first $100 can shape the way you handle money for the rest of your life. Let's break it down into 3 smart moves. 1. Build your safety net. Before investing, make sure you have at least a small emergency fund. Even $50 set aside for unexpected expenses puts you ahead of most people. 2. Invest in yourself. Buy a book on money. Take a short online course. Learn a skill that could earn you more in the future. This is the highest ROI investment you'll ever make. 3. Start real investing, even small. Use the remaining $30 to $50 to start investing. You can try apps like Robinhood, Webull, or index funds. Choose something simple, like the S&P 500 or a diversified ETF. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. It's to build the habit of investing early. Because $100 invested now is worth more than $1,000 invested 10 years from now. So let me ask you, how would you invest your first $100? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple money tips.